Is that a head? A body parts? May dugo-dugo or something? Guys, kita on your screen. So yan, nagbabalik na naman ako. Makalipas ang, makalipas ang, sabihin natin, many weeks, siguro, nagpahinga muna ako sa YouTube channel ko. And yeah, ngayong bakasyon, dedicated ako na mag-focus dito sa aking YouTube channel. And ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng Roblox na naman. Syempre, Roblox tayo. And ano pa ba gagawin ko? Syempre, para may thrill, every time na mag-scream ako during the gameplay, kakanta ako ng isang specific song. At yung song na yun napili ko Let It Go. Let It Go. Basta para, you know, may thrill. May iba naman yung content or something. Yeah, without further ado, let's go. Yeah, dito tayo sa aking Roblox. Alright, so ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng Ice Cream Shop Experience. Uy, pati si Betty Cute 110 maglalaro sa 1 player. So yeah, tapang tayo kaya let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay na, loading na pala. Natanggala. Jump scare everyone. Ice cream. Ice cream, oh, ito na. Yes, yung music ko pala. Konnichiwa. Okay, note to prepare the best ice cream. Follow these steps. You can start your job now. Okay, arigatou gozaimasu. So, asan yung ano, like, wait. Asan yung notes or something? Galing oh. Uy, mas isa pa. You close, you open. You close, you open. You close, you open. You close. Okay. To prepare the best ice creams, follow this step. Take a cone, add the flavor requested by the customer, deliver the ice cream to the customer. Always smile. Hello, so what's this? No, not interactable. Alright, sorry, sir, may customer pala. Gomenasai, yun ang ating pinaka-objective for the... Siguro quit na lang ako sa job ko. Hello, Mr. Gorilla. Yes, take order. Alright, I will take your order na, sir. Please wait a minute, Mr. Gorilla or something. Give the strawberry ice cream. Where's the strawberry ice cream anyway? Wait, bunny. No. Take strawberry tayo kasi, syempre, ayun yun sa ano natin Okay, give na natin yung ating... Baril ba yan? So, tanggala ka. Ang gagawin natin sa yeah, let's start sing na lang kasi madaldal ako. Okay. The snow glows white in the mountain tonight. Not a footprint to be seen. Kingdom of isolation. And it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like a swirling storm inside. Bakit ayaw mong kunin yung order mo, kuya, ha? Heaven knows I try. Ayaw mong kunin ha? Binibigay ko na sa'yo, bakit ayaw mong kunin? Ay, nako, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Kala ba kumuha ulit ako? Ay, right, may cone. Nunez, ano ba? Hindi mo ba ginagawa ng maayos yung trabaho mo? Kaya pala ayaw Jump scare everyone. So, tanggala. Ganun. Okay. What a bummer, Nunez. Kaya pala ayaw niyang tanggapin Then, sorry sir, medyo natagalan kasi, you know, stupid yung nagtitinda ng ice cream Minasan. Thank you sir, sorry sir. Strong aso triple. The snow glows white in the mountain tonight. Not a footprint. Yeah. Dito tayo sa aking Roblox app. Tayo lang ulit na ako. Dami kasing interruption Medyo like nakakainis kapag kaganoon kasi syempre dedicated na akong mag-focus sa YouTube. Okay, calm down. Enjoy ka na lang yung game. And natataka pa rin ako bakit may assault rifle yung pronunciation yan. Hindi ko alam. Pero without further ado, let's start na lang yung game. No? Kasi for a very long time now, ang dami ko na napapanood na, you know, YouTuber, yung mga YouTuber, yung mga content maker dyan na, syempre yung mga famous na, and yeah, dahil na, like, na-influence nila akong gawin to. So yeah, I thank them for making this big, basta. Okay, thank you so much. Hi. Always smile. Smile. Bye, ma'am. Ooh, yes. So, money. Gagawin ko. Bililis. Was that the ice cream man? Malay ko. Oh, so ito na. Here comes the big deal, everyone. So, kakanta na ako. The snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Not a footprint to be seen. Kingdom of isolation. And it looks like I'm the flashlight. The wind is holding light, this swirling storm inside. Wouldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried.
Chocolate, please.
Let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Ano niya? Okay, chocolate daw. Uy, gusto-gusto na ng chocolate, which is very good. Kasi masarap ang chocolate. Iko. Di, wala naman. Okay. Thank you, sir. Come again. So, what's my next objective? Jump scare everyone. Boo. Okay. At puro gorilla yung customer ko. Jump scare everyone. One at a time lang yun. Okay. Okay, what's your order, sir? Ayun nila sa bowl. Bowl. Kasi syempre, di ba, para mas marami, baka mas mahal. Yeah, ito na, sir. Mr. Gorilla or something. Kanina ka pa nag-order, ah. Ano ba, ibang customer dyan or something? Wala ba kayo ibang objective? Hello? Okay, ito na. Clean dishes. Yes, sir. Okay. Clean. Nagtatrabaho lang ako, kaya wag kayong epal dyan, mga jump scare. Wow! Grabe, ayun yung zipper. Dito ka nililinisan. Galing. Right? Only 2 remaining. Saan ba yung kinakanta ko? Ayan. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal the you let them know. Boy! Ano yun? Freezer. Dude! Sino nagtatangkang pumasok sa shop ko? Ha? Ito ba yun? Oh? Or yung kabila? Dude, I just wanna get out. Ito? We all scream for ice cream. You are next. We need to get out of here. Send all my shit anyway. Oh yes. Bye-bye, guys. Siyempre, alis na ako. Bahala kayo. Night. You scream! Yes! You scream. Ice cream na. Some comers were just delivered their store today. I should set them up. Oh, okay. Nasaan sila? Or something. Yuhuu! So, tanggala kayo, ah. Nanggigil ako. Huwag niyo akong inaano. Nagtatrabaho lang ako. Asan ba? Asan ba kasi? Ayun. Kalay. Hanap ako nang hanap sa'yo eh. Okay, let's go. Napatagal ako dun, naghahanap lang naman ng camera eh. Ha? Ano na ulan? Okay. Take the camera. Alright, let's go. Let's make this job done na. Let's make this job done na. Okay, so sa likod naman yung isa. Now, I go back inside and what's my next objective? Hello? Kunin ko kaya itong rifle na, itong gun na to, tapos i-barrel ko kung sino man yung nagja-jumpscare dyan or something. Jumpscare ko din kaya yung jumpscare, no? Hi! Hi, sir! Good afternoon, sir. Alam mo ba, sir, may kukwento ko sa'yo. Okay. Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care. Let the storm rage on. Loko siya, taga-uulan nga. Kumukulog dito. The snow never bothered me anyway. No! The jump scare never bothered me anyway. Ano ko i-check yung camera? Ay, dito. Okay. Snow never bothered me anyway. Ting! Okay. Is there gonna be a jump scare here or something? Hi! Are you going to, chase after me or something? It's okay para matapos na yung ship ko. Kasi gano'n naman talaga oh, what's that? A truck with full of blood. Let's see kung bakit nandun siya nakatayo. Let's see. Kasi atapang tayo eh. Meron tayong hawak na jump scare o jump scare everyone or something. Kasi why not, diba? Tatakbo na lang ako eh. Hi, sir. Gulat ako sa'yo. Kala ko ikaw lang. Hello, sir. Hi, sir. Angas ni sir. Ba't puro gorilla yung customer ko? Kanina pa ako nagtatanong. Sir, may nakita ka bang like nakatayo na creepy man sa labas? Wala ka nakita? Wala, no? Okay. Sige, wala siya nakita. Okay lang, guys. Ka na ng 911. Pero wala pa naman nangyayari kaya posibleng maniwala sila eh. Kailangan ba talaga may mangyari muna or something? Ay, chocolate. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Distracted lang ang aking mind dahil dun sa creepy man na nasa labas saying na I'm next or whatsoever. You know what? Kakanta na lang ako. Snow glows white in the mountain tonight. Not a footprint to be seen. Kingdom of isolation. And it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this forming storm inside. Could have keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Let it go. Ang cute niya ate, oh. Let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm. Ba't yan kayo nadaan? Tignan nyo, meron namang, like, wala namang harang dito or something. What I can do to test the limits and break through. No rights, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go. Let it go. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Distract na naman ako. Hi, sir. Hindi na lang kayo dumaan sa harap. Wala namang nag-aharap. I'm so pissed. Ilang beses ko nang inulit yung game na to. Nakakawalang mod. A gift. Is that a head? A body parts? May dugo-dugo or something? I'm so tired of this. Kaya may starting na mga habol sa akin. I have to hide. Blah blah blah. Shimay! Poster road. Ano mamangga sa kanya? What the? Oh my god! You're already out of here. Bakit kailangan mo tapusin yung hugasan ng plato bago ka umalis? Ha? Alam mo, nanay mo rito eh. Tapos may magja-jumper sa akin sa likod ko, may mga habol, sasabihin, I got you, sasabihin, we all scream, as you will yan, nag-rant na ako dito, so tanggala, shimmer, tanggala, night 3, we all scream for ice cream. What's my objective? What's my objective? On an ordinary night, do you wanna build a snowman? Ride a bike in a hole. I don't see you anywhere. Come out the door. I don't see you anywhere. Come out the door. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. You wanna build a snowman? You wanna be the snowman?
I'll have a tracksuit you're wearing.
Snowballs fight in a mountain. Kakaumay nung pa. Ito yung challenge ko sa sarili ko eh. I'm free! Eto na yung ice cream na pumapatay. Ice cream man na pumapatay. Do I need like, hello? I think I need the broom or something. Ito na lang. Smash ko sa ulo nun. Ang layo mo mag-park. Alam ko naman ikaw yan eh. Kunwari ka pa eh. Ikaw naman yan eh. It's time to see what I can do. To test the limits and break through. Right, no rules for me. I'm free. Ha? Yun na yun? Di ba lang ako like nakatakbo ng maayos or ayoko na! Sakot ka lang!